Mia's Ghost by Guy Beltrami. Mia, there's a ghost in your room, Annie whispered. No, there isn't, Mia said. Then what's making that noise? Annie asked. Do you mean this noise? Mia asked, moving her door slowly. Creak! No, Annie said. That's just a squeaky door. Do you mean the noise by my window? Mia asked. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, Annie said. That's just the wind. Then what noise do you mean? Annie pointed at Mia's closet. The noise in there. Bump, thump, bump, bump, thump. Mia frowned. She slowly slid the door open. Bump, thump, eek! Cried both girls. They jumped back as a big pile of toys tumbled down. Whew, said Annie. At least it wasn't a ghost. I wish it was, said Mia. A ghost could help me clean up the mess. Now you will answer these questions. Why does Annie think there is a ghost in Mia's room? A. Annie hears something. B. Annie sees something. C. Annie smells something. Or D. Annie feels something. Write the number 1, 2, or 3 next to each sound Annie and Mia hear in the right order, first, second, or third. Toys in the closet, wind, or a squeaky door. What happens when Mia opens the closet? The girls see a ghost, the toys fall out of the closet, Mia's cat runs out of the closet, or nothing happens. Why does Mia wish there was a ghost in her closet? And finally, your word work. Find the missing letters to make the word. Remember, go back to the story if you cannot remember what one of these words may be.